Okay. Okay, my friend. This 100 milk, 50 cream whip,
ايوه
half avocado. Okay.
خلاص.
Okay, and 50 mango. 50 gram mango. 50 grams mango.
50 grams.
Yes, whipped cream.
50
Whipped
grams
cream
of
50.
mango.
100 milk. 100 milk. 50 gram cream whip. أيوة.
100 milk.
أيوة. And half avocado. And 50 mango. Okay. 50 grams mango. Okay. My friend, put sugar, 3 sugar.
How many mangoes, chef?
50.
50.
Yes. Okay, my friend. Okay. Put the ice. 8. 8 ice. And you can put ice after finish because these are avocado, not easy blended. Sure. After finish, my friend. Now, make blender. Okay.
Blender first.
Yeah, you are. Blender first. Eat pieces ice.
8 pieces ice.
Yes. Okay. Honey in glass design, honey. Okay. Okay.
Ano?
Yan yung kagabi.
Okay. Okay. Put oil. And after finish, put nuts and honey. Okay, nuts, my friend. Pistachio, almond. Okay. Yes, put nuts. Yes, yeah. Almond. Almond this one. Okay.
M.
Some sliced mango, little sliced mango. 3 pieces.
Sino nagbubuwa? Yung sasakyan nagpupunta sa Itsokti. Tapos nagbubuwan sila ng
Of course, man.
Ay, sabi ko, bakit hindi kasi pumunta dito sa amin?
Okay, my friend, yes, it's good. Okay, it's design good. Okay. Put honey up.
Pumunta kayo dyan, wala nang dito dyan.
Ayun, very nice. Okay, good.
خلاص.
خلاص. Okay, it's finished.